Hello friends, in this tutorial we will show you how to perform the maintenance job on a 207 Peugeot equipped with a 1.4 liter petrol engine. For this job you will need the new engine oil, the new air filter, the new oil filter, and the two cabin or Pollen filters. To remove the oil drain plug, you will need a 10mm hex key. Place a container under the oil pan and unscrew the drain plug. Wear protective gloves, especially if the engine is very hot. While the oil is draining, we will go above to replace the oil filter. To remove the oil filter housing cap, you will need a 27mm socket. Before removing the cap, place several paper towels around the housing to prevent any oil spills. Remove the cap and the filter and place them in a container. There will be some used oil left inside the oil filter housing, which you can remove with a syringe. Remove the old O-ring and clean the cap using brake cleaner and paper towels. Replace the cap's O-ring with the new one and lubricate it with a bit of new engine oil to prevent it from tearing when you screw it back on. Insert the new oil filter into the cap and tighten the cap to 25 Nm. Clean up any oil spills with brake cleaner spray and paper towels or cloths. To remove the air filter housing, you need to loosen this metal clamp with a 10mm socket. Turn this plastic knob counterclockwise. Remove this intake pipe and press the yellow clip to disconnect this hose. Now that you've removed the housing, you will have access to all 4 screws holding the air filter housing cover. Remove the old air filter and clean the inside of the housing. Insert the new air filter and secure the cover. You can now put the air filter housing back in place. Since the oil stopped dripping onto the car, we can go ahead and thread the oil drain plug back in. Tighten it to 30 Newton meters. Pour in the amount of oil recommended by the manufacturer depending on the engine type and code. The two cabin filters are located behind this cover. Inserting the new filters was a bit tricky. Don't forget to check the airflow direction through the filters. To create more space, you can lift the windshield wiper cowl. It seems that one of the housings is smaller, so we had to stuff the filter inside. Put the rubber seal back in place and you're done. And that was it, guys. Thank you for watching, and until next time, we wish you all the best.